The sketching the floor plan and integrating it into Xactimate has been such a lifesaver for me. Sometimes the dimensions didn't add up when it's being done by hand. I'm looking at it and thinking, what in the world is that? A lot of times it just didn't work out. Using Encircle Floor Plan was solely my decision. It speeded up the time it took for me to send an estimate out. The very first time I was able to import it into Xactimate was one of the larger floor plans. And I was just amazed of how detailed it was and accurate. And it literally took me maybe 20 minutes to complete that estimate. And it was an entire house flood. So yeah, I was blown away. But now that I got them actually using Encircle for the sketching, let's move on to the next part, which is going to be for me is the documents, the per room sheets and the moisture, the dry logs. I don't see why you wouldn't want to make your job easier.